In the light of the recent increase in petrol prices, a social media post stating that the current Modi government is paying off the debts incurred by oil bonds issued by the previous Congress government is being circulated widely. The comments in the post are also in line with this argument. Let us first understand the status of oil bonds issued by the Congress-led UPA government. During the UPA rule, instead of passing on the burden of rising crude oil prices onto the consumers, the then government passed on this burden to the oil marketing companies. These companies would then sell petroleum products to consumers at subsidized rates. The losses incurred by the companies were borne together by the government, upstream oil companies, and oil marketing companies. The previous Congress government cleared a major chunk of these under recoveries by means of budget allocations. In some instances, despite paying in cash, the government issued oil bonds with a fixed interest rate and maturity period. In fact, the Congress government also cleared amounts for the oil bonds, and by the time the BJP-led NDA government first came to power in 2014, oil bonds pending dues were only 1,34,423 crore rupees. It must also be noted that it is not only the Congress-led UPA government that issued oil bonds, but also the NDA government under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As for oil bonds cleared by the Modi government, responding to a query in the recent parliament session, the union government stated that during the last 7 fiscal years, that is from 2014-15 to 2020-21, the government cleared oil bonds worth 73,695.72 crore rupees in principal and interest. And the government is due to clear bonds worth 92,200.17 crore rupees in the next 4 years, that is from 2023 to 2026. However, over the period of 7 years from 2014-15 to 2020-21, the central government collected more than 25 lakh crore rupees worth revenue through the collection of taxes on petroleum products. The huge gap between the revenue generated through taxes and the expenditure incurred in clearing the oil bond debts implies that pending dues for oil bonds issued during the UPA are only a fraction of the taxes collected on petrol and diesel in the last 7 years. And the current increase in petrol prices cannot be justified by the pending dues for oil bonds. As the current increase in petrol prices cannot be justified by the pending dues for oil bonds, since pending dues from the UPA days are only a fraction of the taxes collected on petrol and diesel in the last 7 years, this post is misleading. When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.